Let's look at this one. Convert the following decimals to fractions. We easily know how to convert one of them. This one over here. So let's take it, 0.09 by 1. We should multiply it by 100 because it's in the hundredths place. So that's equal to 9 by 100. This would be the fraction. Let's look at the other one. 7.43 by 1. You see, this is in the hundredths place, so we should multiply by 100. This would be later 743 by 100. And 743 is actually above 100, so it's an improper fraction. We could turn this into a mixed number like this. Let's convert 2 by 8 into a decimal form. So 8 cannot be divided by 2. So we're going to be putting a point here. And we're going to be filling this proper place, the whole number part, 0. This point is called the decimal point. Now, if we put 0 here, it really does not change the value of 2. It's still 2 because we added the decimal point. So 16 times 2 equal to 16. 4 is left over. Add a 0 again, we get 40. It's equal to 0.25. So 2 by 8 is equal to 0.25. Let's do 13 divided by 2. 13 is an improper fraction, but still we're going to have to divide it. So here's what we're going to do. So you see, this is much more simpler because 13, which is improper, is bigger than the denominator. So let's solve it. If we put 6 here, minus 12, we get 1 left over. So we can put 6 1 by 2, but 6 1 by 2 can then be equal to 6.5. Now here's what we can do. You see, if we can add a point here and put 0 over here. This turns from 1 to 10. 2 is easily divisible, turning it into 5. 6.5. Fraction 3 by 10. You know, remember we had 0.3? Well, we could do the inverse operation instead of multiplying, dividing. So we can divide it by 10 by 10. And then we get 3 divided by 10 is equal to 0.3. 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. And 1 does not make any significance to the number, therefore it still remains 0.3. Let's do 50 by 100. Because it's in the hundredths place, we have to divide by 100. So we're going to have 50 by 100. We could divide it by 100, numerator and denominator, because both of them are in the hundredth place. 50 divided by 100 is 0.5, and then 100 divided by 100 is equal to 1. 1 does not make any significant change, so it's equal to 0.5. Let's have 12 by 10. We can divide it by 10 on both numerator and denominator. We can get the decimal 1.2 by 1, which is anyhow equal to 1.2. Now let's write the second one. It says convert 2.07 to a fraction. Well, 2.07, what we can do is 2 is actually left a decimal. So we can probably infer that 2 is going to be into a mixed number. And 7 is going to be the part of the fraction. Let's divide it. If we divide it by 100, we get 207 by 100, which is then equal to 7 by 100.